All right, so we are going to make a coffee smoothie today. Sometimes in the mornings, I don't feel like a big breakfast, or I don't have a whole lot of time, or sometimes, before a workout, I wanna have some of that energy boost from my coffee, but I also wanna make sure that I have the proper fuel to get through my workout. So this is a great alternative. What I'm going to use today is some frozen banana slices. So I sliced up a banana, put them flat out on a cookie sheet, popped them into my freezer. They're frozen. When you blend up frozen bananas, they have a creamy texture to them, so good. I also took some of my leftover coffee, let it cool, and I made ice cubes out of it. In addition to that, just because I want to have more of that smoothie texture, and I didn't want to just use, ice cubes because that would water down my smoothie. I also have a cup of cooled and chilled coffee, LifeBoost coffee. It is not a cold brew. I just did a normal brew of my coffee this morning, and the leftover that I had, I popped it into the refrigerator and let it chill so that I could use it for my smoothie. I have about 1/3 cup of my favorite protein powder that I'm going to add to this too, so that I can make sure that I get that protein in to curb any kind of hunger. Also has a ton of vitamins in it and fuel for me to get through my workout. In addition to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of some sugar-free vanilla, about a teaspoon's worth, just for some extra flavor. We're gonna pop all this into our blender here. So, I don't know, this is just one banana that I sliced up and froze into the freezer, or popped into the freezer to freeze up. It makes almost a cup worth of frozen banana. So if you already have pre-frozen bananas, feel free to use that. Here I probably have, I don't know, this is about 7 small ice cubes of coffee, my protein powder, my cup of chilled coffee, and we'll do 1 teaspoon of the sugar-free vanilla. Of course, you can add all kinds of other things to this. Collagen, if you wanted to add a different flavor than the vanilla, if you wanted to add some cinnamon. My protein powder is a chocolate flavor, so I wanted to make sure that I used something that would complement that flavor as well. So, I'm gonna get some more of that caffeine I need for that afternoon pick-me-up, plus my protein, and it's a delicious treat. Thank you.